This one is called Lethargic. The lush feelings of feeling contemporary, captivated with my own memories, dance away and are slowly concreted in the isolation chambers of doubts and fears that patiently pours down through the tear walls and cracks of every artery around my bed of insecurities, until there is no more breath to reach for, a beacon that has been beckoning frequently for a hand to pull it through my whole resistance. A gate of persistent limbo consisting of time-echoing ripples that opens up for only a pebble of peace to enter through. We remember you is chiseled high on the arches that are ascending the middle path that bends through a narrow labyrinth back to the invisible abbey. It's a mythical trance-like fantasy that snaps within me to the place I was before imprisoned by this gravity. See, there was no poverty, no famine, no whores. There was no lottery, no currency, no glamorized mockingbirds to kill, and everything that was more wrong with me. See, if I could feel and feel often I would still opt to be lost in my good old forgotten dreams. Dustin, please wake up. Thank you.